Welcome to this Delft Stack tutorial video. In today's Delft Stack tutorial video, we'll learn how to zoom in and zoom out on a Mac using your mouse or trackpad in a simple and flexible way, so you can easily magnify anything on your screen when needed. First, open System Settings on your Mac. Then go to Accessibility from the sidebar. Inside Accessibility, find and click Zoom. Now, turn on the option that says Use Scroll Gesture with Modifier Keys to zoom. Once that is enabled, you can choose a modifier key like Control, Option, or Command, depending on what feels easiest for you. After that, select how you usually scroll, either with a mouse wheel or a trackpad gesture. Now, here is how it works in practice. Hold down your chosen modifier key, for example, Control, and then scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. If you're using a trackpad, use the same key while doing a two-finger scroll gesture. You can also adjust additional settings here, like choosing between full screen zoom or picture-in-picture style zoom, which shows a magnified window while keeping the rest of your screen normal. If you are finding this helpful so far, consider subscribing to the channel for more simple Mac and iPhone tutorials that make everyday tasks easier. You can also test different modifier keys to see which one feels more natural for your workflow, especially if you switch between mouse and trackpad often. Another quick tip is that you can also enable keyboard zoom shortcuts in the same menu if you prefer using keys instead of scrolling. Once everything is set, just close Settings and try it out a few times to get comfortable with the speed and direction of zooming. To wrap things up, this feature is built to give you fast control over your screen size whenever you need it, and now you know exactly how to set it up and use it on your Mac.